Let's begin on the market turmoil that we've seen over the past 48 hours in Hong Kong. Right now we have Chinese stocks trading at 2008 lows on the Hong Kong exchange. Is that a verdict on President Xi's renewed grip on power, or are there other factors at play? Can you explain to us what's happening here?
Well, I think the market movement is always affected by many different factors. Geopolitical risks, industry news, reforms, different kinds of news always have an impact on market movement. But the important thing for us as a market infrastructure operator is to ensure that whatever the movement, the market performs and functions properly, steadily, and with the sound infrastructure. And that's what we are doing.
So, Laura, what we have seen right now is President Xi, of course, being stronger than ever before. He's returned to power in China. Hong Kong firmly under Chinese policy and Chinese economic narrative and direction as well. What do you think President Xi's third term is going to mean for Hong Kong and the business community there?
I think Hong Kong as an international financial center has always played a role of connecting the East and West. We are excited about the opportunities ahead. Looking back in the last 10 years, there's huge economic reform has been done, and international investors as well as domestic investors have reaped those benefits. Our role, again, is to provide those opportunities to international investors, to local investors, to unleash this untapped capital requirement in China. And that's very exciting for us.
So what is your focus here in Saudi Arabia and the FII? What are you hoping to achieve?
Oh, we want to connect. We want to meet friends in the Middle East. In fact, we have made a connection in Davos 2020. That was the last time we were able to travel. Had it not been COVID restriction, we would have been here earlier. And Middle East is an exciting part of the world. Saudi presents huge opportunities, and we see Hong Kong's role as a connector with the East and West. This is part of our role as well.
Do you see future listings perhaps coming from this part of the world too?
Oh, not only from this part of the world, but from other parts as well. We have at Hong Kong Exchange, we want to attract international companies to come and list on our market. Recently, there has been a new policy initiative where international companies that are listed in Hong Kong could access Chinese domestic investors via our Connect program. And that's very exciting because, you know, if you are a foreign company, be it Middle East or another foreign companies, once you're listed in Hong Kong, you satisfy certain requirements, you can access Chinese domestic investors, which everybody knows is a huge pool. And that presents opportunities for investors and issuers alike.